His Majesty King Mswati III today, as represented by His Royal Highness Prince Hlangabeza, received the first of two aircraft called the Embraer ERJ-145 that has arrived through the Eswatini Air. This aircraft belongs to the airline that is going to be run by the Kingdom of Eswatini under the Royal Eswatini National Airways Corporation. The aircraft landed at around 10 in the morning at the King Mswati III International Airport, where the Prince and the delegation from His Majesty's government and other relevant stakeholders took turns in actually inspecting the plane and making sure that it is in good shape. The King urged all Maswati who are going to be using this aircraft to do their best in maintaining it and ensuring that it is going to stay in good shape, so to promote businesses and traveling in the Kingdom of Eswatini and other countries.
Kambele bukile ngoba njengoba nikhumbula ukuthi kwase kwaba khona lokwaba khona kwase kasheleleka kumbe mhlawumbe lokwashelela laba bekhaya ukuthi mhlawumbe babukele inkampani ngeke vele babikile kuhulumende ukuthi oh kambe kulokho bakade Solomon bahle bakunqanqanqa bakubeka eqathini kambe kugcine kufikile lapho ukuthi oh live lingabuye lisimame litibone ukuthi lingasima kambe lento enjani njengoba nihlangene kambe nani namhla senibofakazi lokufakazi ke benu bekunene ke nani ndawo buyela emakhaya niyobika ukuthi lo bekaza athunywe ingwenyama ahlangene nani.
The Minister for Public Works and Transport, Chief Nhlanhla Zandwandwe, vowed to the King that they are going to ensure that this aircraft is taken care of well and good at all times.
Buhle baloku wena bekunene kunengakhulu cishe sibantu siyathi ukuthi kubhekwephi siyathi ukuthi sifisani umuntu angakubala nje lokufika engqondweni kulo msebenzi lo lesiqalako namhla sikhuluma ngekucasheka kwamaswati uyavuleka umsebenzi yamaswati aqasheke atawuqashwa ngiyo lenkampani aphinze aqashwe nangiletinye tinkampani.
The Chief Executive Officer of Hmk Sikhuphe also vowed that together with the staff and the working personnel, they're going to ensure that all the aircrafts that are going to come to the King Mswati III International Airport are going to be taken care of very well. These two aircrafts are going to open the airline flying to Durban straight from the Kingdom of Eswatini, as well as Zimbabwe and other countries in the African region. I am Hmk Sikhuphe for Channel Maswati News with Gary Carlos, King Mswati III International Airport, Sikhuphe.